Hi, I'm Steve Widdicombe and I'm the Head of Science for the Marine Ecology and Biodiversity Group here at Plymouth Marine Laboratory. For the past 3 years we've been working in collaboration with colleagues at the University of Exeter to deliver a marine ecology module based on the work we do here at PML and the work we do at the Western Channel Observatory. The module starts by a group of around 50 university undergraduate students visiting us here at PML to get a flavour for the kind of work we do, but also to understand the processes involved in taking samples of the marine fauna and flora that live at the seabed at the Western Channel Observatory. For the second part of the module, the students get to experience what it's actually like to go out to sea and collect the samples. For that, we go out on the Plymouth Quest, which is our research vessel, and we visit various sites around Plymouth Sound and the local area, taking samples of the seabed using box corers and grabs, as well as sampling the water column using a CTD rosette. The final element of the module sees us going down to Penryn with the samples that we've collected during the fieldwork. In the lab, we help the students to identify the animals they've collected and generate data that describes the benthic communities that we found at each of the different sites. With these data, we can then analyse differences between communities and understand how processes within the marine environment shape the types and the amounts of animals they find in the different places.
Essentially, what the students get an opportunity to do is interact with our colleagues at Plymouth Marine Laboratory and have access to real live data collected as part of an ongoing long-term experiment. This is great for us because it really highlights the research-led way that we try and teach our students and involve them in experiential learning in the field as well. For marine biology, having access to this existing data set and existing things that are in place for boat work is a unique experience, and it's a really great way to teach the students the things that we're talking about in lectures.
It was enjoyable. It definitely made me more passionate about what we're doing. I'd be interested in doing something like this in the future.
We've always seen kind of films and stuff, but we've never actually had the chance to experience hands-on work with sorting out field equipment and being able to see the samples go down into the sea and come back out with such an amazing wealth. It was really brilliant.
It solidified my aim to kind of pursue it as a career path, and it's really nice to have some first-hand experience and actually understand what scientists at the moment are doing.
So why do we get involved in this collaboration with the University of Exeter? Well, for us, the added benefit is we get additional data for the Western Channel Observatory. And for the students, they get a taste of what life is like as a marine ecologist working at a world-class marine research organisation.
We see students really engaging in this, building their taxonomic skills, getting really excited about taxonomy, and it's a fantastic opportunity for them to see some elements of marine science that wouldn't ordinarily be available to them if we weren't collaborating in this way. As we've done this year on year, we have noticed that students use the relationship that we're building with PML for placements and for internship roles, and it gives them an opportunity to see how marine science actually plays out in the real world and what maybe a future job for them might look like.
I'm a student at Exeter University, but I'm on my placement year at the minute with PML. It was really good fun to kind of do this whole experience last year, and it was so good to do it on such a big scale that PML can offer. So I was chatting to Steve and chatting to Chris about kind of the work that they do at PML, and it's only through this opportunity that I was then able to kind of voice that I wanted and was keen to do the placement. So getting this experience and doing the fieldwork makes me, you find out what you enjoy, and I definitely enjoy doing the fieldwork and the research.
As part of our relationship with PML, we'd love to continue these activities. It's great to expose the students to this level of research-led learning, and we hope it continues long into the future.